Hi guys, I'm going to unboxing now that I order from website Jolly Chick. So I ordered the AirPod. AirPod seem like Apple AirPod. So TWS, I think TWS I12. That's the one. So here's you see. Ayan. This is TWS. I will going to unbox right now. Later we will show it what's inside. Thank you. This is the guys. We will see fried jazz. So parang China. Made in China. Okay. Made in China siya. So let's unbox it. Kasi sabi nila. Ayan. This is the I12 TWS. So, tingnan yung likod niya. The balls are same. Ano? Lightning connector din. Yung charger niya. Ayan. Let's open it. Medyo matigas. It's hard. Hihirapan ako kapag nag-iisa. Okay. Let's see. This is the TWS I12. Sabi nila, I saw the video from the YouTube blogger that TWS I12 is seem like AirPod, Apple AirPod. So, I bought this online 1 month ago. Ayan! My God! This is the AirPod. And let's see. This is the charger only, of course. The charger. Lightning connector. So, the manual, of course. And the manual, yeah, a lot of color, but I choose white. Why? Open it. Nahihirapan. Let's open. Yeah! Oh my God!